Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to download and install MPLAB X IDE version 6.25 and XC8 Compiler version 3.10 on Windows 11. MPLAB X IDE is an official development environment provided by Microchip Technology for programming and debugging PIC microcontrollers. The XC8 compiler is used to compile C programs for 8-bit PIC microcontrollers. First, I searched for MPLAB X IDE on Google and opened the official Microchip website. Always download IDE and compilers only from the official website. From the official download page, I selected MPLAB X IDE version 6.25 for Windows and started the download. After the download is complete, I ran the installer and followed the default installation steps. Next, I downloaded the XC8 compiler. Version 3.10 from the same official Microchip website. This compiler version is compatible with MPLAB X IDE version 6.25. Then I installed the XC8 compiler by following the standard installation process. After installation, I opened MPLAB X IDE and verified that the XC8 compiler was detected successfully. MPLAB X IDE version 6.25 supports Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well as Linux and Mac OS operating systems. The recommended system requirements are at least 4 GB RAM, a dual core processor, and around 5 to 8 GB of free disk space. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more embedded system tutorials.